yet another video. This time we're talking about this very weird and obscure old film camera, Fanta can camera. I actually remember these kind of cameras from my youth. During the winter holidays, our family usually went somewhere warmer, and those places were full of these small electronic stores where my father took me. And even though I was more into bootleg Game Boy games, I do remember my dad showing me this particular camera. Honestly, I didn't really have high expectations for this fully plastic, fully non-adjustable camera. But after this one roll of Yashica 400, I was actually quite surprised. These photos of old cars and garages turned out pretty well, and I actually kinda like them. Here's a comparison with Leica Minilux and this Fanta camera. The film is not the same, but you get the idea. I did manage to ruin half of the roll. The way you reel the film back didn't fully work, so I did end up opening the back while the film was still out there to the open. But I guess that's part of shooting film and experimenting with these weird cameras.
So here's the review. There is a place for flash, but in reality there's no flash, just plastic. The film reel didn't work, and it doesn't really fit in my pockets. But at the same time, it does look really cool, and that's what really matters. The photos turned out great. So on the scale from Pepsi to Coca-Cola, Pepsi of course being horrible and Coke quite okay, I would give this one a solid 7. Maybe even a little higher, maybe like 7 out.